How to book your hotel room by using mobile app. Okay, let's move on. Okay, now how to book your hotel room by using mobile app. Okay, first of all, you have to install the Roam Travel Tour Guide mobile app from Google Play Store. Okay, by clicking the link below this video here at the description part, or you can click on this link on the video description part of this video. Another way is you also can pause this video and scan the following QR code with your mobile phone QR code scanner to install this Roam Travel Tour Guide mobile app. Okay, next, after you have installed this Roam Travel Tour Guide mobile app, please follow this coming step-by-step video screenshot to book your Roam hotel room fast and easily before you travel to Rome for vacation and holidays with your family and friends. Okay, now let's go to the Google Play Store. After you have installed this Rome Travel Tour Guide, click open and it will bring you to this Rome Travel Tour Guide mobile app. Okay, so this is the view from your phone, and you look at this hotel room booking. You can see this icon here, hotel booking. Just click on it, and then this Roam mobile app will bring you to this page whereby you can browse through the hotel option in the list that located in Rome. Let me enlarge the screen to let you see it clearly. Okay, first thing is you can search the hotels in Rome by inputting your check-in date by month and day. Okay, and then by day, followed by day, and then the check-out date. Okay, and also rooms for how many persons. You can select the option here, and then you can click search. Then you can click search and it will bring you to the page. Now you can see that there's an option. All the options is here, okay, which is available for you to select and book reserve the hotel room. Okay, now you can see the review here, very good, 4-star, 8.1 point, based on 10,000 plus review. Okay, you can scroll down. Okay, let's say you choose the hotel that you want to book. For example, I want this Christopher Club Hotel. Let me click on it. No, let me go to look at other hotel. Let's say I want the best deal hotel. Let's say I choose this one, 9.7, exceptional good review. Let me click on this view deal. Oh, I have to input the month and date first. Okay, let me input the month and then the day. Okay, then I click on the view deal button here, and it will show me the hotel details here, show me the rating and the price, and this is 1.5 kilometer from the city center Castro Pretoria. Okay, and this, if I want to, okay, because this hotel, I can click here to browse through the picture of the hotel. Okay, show you the hotel room and everything, and let's say I can look at the different price here from a different hotel booking platform. I can even compare 6 more other websites. Okay, and here it show you, okay, Okay, here to show you the big picture of the hotel and description about the hotel, where's the best deal, and the other price from a booking platform, hotel booking platform, and here showing you the hotel features. Okay, and the guest review based on cleanliness, dining facility, location, room service. Okay, and then you can read the comment and review from the other guests after they book and or reserve this hotel room. Okay, now let's say I select the best deal. Okay, let's say I want to book this hotel from Agoda. Let me click on this view deal, and then will redirecting me to the Agoda page to further process of the hotel booking room. Okay, let's say I want this hotel. I just click on it. Okay, and it will show me the hotel photo, and then I scroll down, I click select, and then it direct me to the booking page, the payment page actually. Yeah, you can look at the booking details, hotel room reserve details, hotel ultimate. This is the address, check-in date and check-out date, and stay at 1 night, 1 room, 2 adults. Second, they tell me the hotel maximum is 2 adults, 2 children. Okay, now I have to fill in my first name, last name, my information, my contact information, email address, phone number, my country origin, and then let them know what we need. Okay, whether we want a smoking, not smoking, want large bed or twin beds. Am I traveling with kids? Okay, let us know when you are arriving. Okay, let them know when you are arriving, around what time. And then once it is done, okay, when I fill in everything of this page, okay, then I will click on the next page. Okay, to further, okay, let me fill in my first name, email.com. Okay, and then I re-input my Alex K alias email. Okay, email.com. Okay, then I click on next button. Okay, now bring me to this page. For me to select a payment method, you can select either one of these payment methods, whether I pay by Visa, MasterCard, KCB, Amex card, or pay by UnionPay credit card, UnionPay debit card, PayPal, or RHP. Now there's other banks option here. Okay, let's say I want to pay by credit card, select credit card and input my credit card information here, and then click book now. It will bring me to the confirm booking page, the confirmation of my hotel room booking with all the information details. Okay, once you have done, just click done here and exit to the hotel booking page. You can explore more on this Rome travel tour guide mobile app here to further find out more what are the places that tourists will visit when they come to Rome for traveling. Okay, thank you. Bye.